Hi there. In this video, I want to talk to us about how to turn your passion into a profitable business. Now, I'm recording this at the end of 2023. Now, what generally happens about this time is that there are lots of ideas out there about what you could be doing, what you should be doing, and the different kind of businesses that are open to people. You could be, creating products. You could be selling houses. You could be running an Amazon sales, whatever people have. But I want to just draw your attention to something. It is this: the first thing you need to do is to discover your why, is to discover your own gifts and abilities, is to endeavor to trade in any business that aligns with your gifts, your abilities, and your passion. In other words, you need to start thinking about first what is your reason for existence. Having discovered your reason for existence and the gifts and abilities that you have, those are the ones that you should trade in. Those are the ones you should trade with. So if you're gifted in carpentry work, you need to have a business that aligns itself in some shape or form with carpentry work. If you're a cook, you need to identify a business that aligns itself with cooking. If you are good at public speaking, you can align yourself in a business that requires you to stand in front of people and always make presentations like you're working as a consultant or whatever. Now, those are the kind of things you need to think about first. That is the first thing. Don't just jump on some idea that somebody else is doing and they're making money. It's That's not going to be sustainable over the long haul. And you will notice that those who are successful are those who are doing and working in an area that they have a genuine interest. So that's the first thing. Identify what's my area of interest. Next is proof of concept. It's not a case of setting up a website. It's not about having a business card. You may not even set up a Facebook page. You may not even set up a LinkedIn profile. You may not even set up a YouTube channel. You may or you may not. It depends. Because, first of all, if your YouTube channel is going to help you to establish a proof of concept, then that's fine. Proof of concept is I've got this idea, I've tested it, and this is how it's going to work. So I know it's going to work because I've tested it and it has brought about a kind of feedback that I have been able to work on and improve my product or services with, so that I can go back and sell it to the niche that I've identified. So first, you identify your gifts, your abilities. Second, you work on a proof of concept. Another way to define what proof of concept, well, not so much to define, but to tell us the meaning of establishing a proof of concept, is to create what's called an MVP product or an MVP service. It works both ways. It can work as for a product and for a service. No matter what you're selling, whether you're selling you know, a laptop, or you're selling a cup, or you're selling whatever it is, whether it's a physical product that you're selling, you still need proof of concept, proof that your idea will work. And the only way to do that sometimes is to create what's called an MVP, which is a minimum viable product. You would have learnt about that if you are familiar with the work of Eric Ries, who is a proponent of the lean startup movement. So a minimum viable product is just a simple version of a product that solves a particular problem that the people you're trying to sell your product to have. Okay, let me say that again. It's just a version of the product or service that can solve a problem, a pressing problem that the people you want to sell to have. You don't want to sell to everyone, so you're going to have to identify your niche. Proof of concept is so critical the success of your business that if you can get it right, then you are sure that what you plan to do works. Okay, so you need a proof of concept after you've determined what you want to do. And then proof of concept will actually help you to phrase how it's going to be done, with whom you're going to do it with, and many other things like that. Once you moved from that, then you go on to monetization. Proof of concept can actually get you there very quickly. Monetization is okay. How much are people going to pay me for this product? Are people willing to pay me for this product? All right. Because if nobody is willing to pay you for a product, then you don't have a business. You only have a business when somebody is willing to pay you for it. And just because you have a LinkedIn page or you have a YouTube channel does not mean that you're gonna make money. Okay? Doesn't work like that. You can establish a business that doesn't do anything online. I believe in being online, all right? So otherwise I won't be doing a YouTube channel myself. But that's because I get clients from my YouTube channel now. But I remember when I started doing grant funding for organizations, I remember we didn't have a website. We didn't have no website. I didn't have no business cards. I had no YouTube channel for it. I had no Facebook page for it. I had virtually nothing. I didn't have anything. All I had was the idea and a proof of concept. So I got together a few people, told them I can help them, got them to pay me some money, then wrote some applications for them, and it was successful. And I built the business on referrals. So it wasn't built on having a website. We've hardly ever got clients from our website. We get clients from referrals, we get clients from our YouTube channel, but not from our website. So, for example, if I went and I created, and now we have a website though, because it's just something that you need to have, not because it necessarily brings in money for us, or at least we've not optimized it enough to start getting money for us at the time of recording this. But the point I'm making to you is this, that once you have your why and you have your proof of concept, the making money would naturally come along. All right. I really hope you got a lot out of this video today. If you did, do subscribe to the channel. Sign up for my book, which is in the description box there. You'll find the link there. Sign up for that. And also, you can come on to our live courses. All right, then. I'll speak to you soon, and have a wonderful year. God bless. Bye-bye.